Hello, I'm Yanika, and today I'm going to speak about the music for my travel videos. In this channel, I speak about traveling and I do travel videos and adventure videos and speak about positivity into life. So if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And keep on watching up until the end this video because I will be offering you a 10% discount code. Starting with, I have been using for licensing the music is Soundstripe. Soundstripe is a website online that has a lot of music from different genres, and I have been using it for every single video that I did for the past 2 years. Speaking about Soundstripe, they have a very helpful customer service. You can speak to them and they will reply to you very nicely, and they will help out all the situation and matter that you have. After all, Soundstripe is one of the licensing companies that I recommend to use to license the music for any video. My videos are traveling videos and adventure videos. So I will be showing you what music, how I choose the music from Soundstripe. And the travel videos, it's not always adventure and fun. There will be scary moments, suspense moments, and also sad moments, happy moments, and also I do also films of every country that I go. So it is a bit cinematic and emotional genre. So keep watching and I will be showing you what kind of music I choose. First of all, before showing you the playlist, I want to mention, don't forget to check out the description below for the links that I recommend for you for traveling, and also if you are a creator, there is the link to Soundstripe. Here I am showing you the playlist that I chose in different genres, what I think the music goes into. So if I need a happy music, a scary music, a sad emotional music, or else an inspiring or any type of genre, I will go directly to this playlist. If I want to add new music, search for new music, I also do. So here I have all the playlists that I think I choose much often for this kind of music. I have from scary, sad, emotional, upbeat, vlog tips, happy songs, and every kind of genres that I think I use for my videos. I don't stick always with this playlist. I go and check out for new music, but this is the most music that I choose for my videos. So starting with, I'm going to show you the cinematic film songs. One for the Malta film that I did, which is this one. It has the music starts very inspiring and very hopeful. So in this beginning, it will be the introduction of the short film I do, of the short clip of the film of Malta I did. So let's continue hearing the music. And it has certain beats. So every beat I will change the shot. So you can check out the video right now. that's the video of Malta. If you want to watch it for full, don't forget to check out the channel or the description below for the links. Now I'm going to go on another film that I did. This is The Beauty of Norway. The Beauty of Norway, I chose this song. So this song has certain calm and also it is inspiring. So for this Norway video, yes, that's why I chose it, because Norway gave me something that it was so peaceful, so calm, that I thought that the music that I have to choose is something that it has to be very calm. So check out the video of Norway with this music right now. I also love Soundstripe because it shows you the waveform, the beats of the music when it will be very low and goes a bit more higher. Where here, for example, it's very low and then it gets more with beats. Now let's go on another music. Now we're going on the scary and suspense moments. From here I also gonna show you two different types of music. So one of them is this one. Although the mood is inspiring and hopeful, I choose this kind of music as a suspense and a bit of scary is because it went very well with this video of Norway, where we were in the car driving in a foggy weather, and it was a very suspenseful moment. So yes, this kind of music was very nice, but it had a bit of suspense to go with this video. Check this one out. At the moment, we are driving on a mountain. The visibility is just for 2 meters, 5 meters, as the driver says. I can barely see the front of the car. It's kind of scary because it's with high cliffs around us. to show you this music. This kind of music also shows you something suspenseful coming. And this kind of music, it's still hopeful, it's still a nice music, so it went very well with this travel video. Day 7, today we came on the boat from Geiranger. As you noticed, in this video it started with driving. Driving into an unknown road in Norway, and also the weather wasn't very nice. It wasn't clear, it was very foggy, so it was something suspenseful. And we were going to something, so there was no discovery of what it was. So that's why I chose this type of music with this beginning of this video. And now I will be taking you to a different genre of type of music that I choose. I will not be taking you to the cinematic or the suspenseful or scary genre. I will be taking you to the most useful, happy moments of the travel. And now I will be taking you to the happy songs that I have. And this is the only song that I'm gonna show you that I choose for the videos. This video was the start of the road trip in Norway. Listen to this one. So in itself, this music had a very fun and happy moment, and it was also a chill mood. So as you can see, I will be putting this in the very beginning of the series of Norway. It was the first episode that I produced on this channel from Norway, so check this one out. Good morning, it's 8:20. We're leaving from Oslo, the hotel that we stayed during the night, and we're going to Hønefoss. We rented our car, so it's going to be the road trip starting now. We arrived in Hønefoss. So yes, I showed you 5 different videos, from scary moments, cinematic videos, and also a happy video. These are a very basic genre that I put on my videos, because I have different kind of videos, from sad moments and also different types of genres for the traveling. I chose to show you 5 different videos from a bit of different genre to show you what kind of music do I choose from Soundstripe. I also like Soundstripe not because only the waveform that I can see but for the beats, but also the mood section. It helps me recognize what type of music I'm choosing, not only with my feelings, but also I can read what Soundstripe created from the music artist. So if you are creating videos and looking for royalty-free music, I suggest you use Soundstripe. And I also want to mention that if you cancel your subscription membership with Soundstripe, the music license will still remain forever. Remember, if you want to sign up for Soundstripe, there is a link in the description below, which is an affiliate link that, like this, you will be helping me and supporting me doing more travel videos for you on this channel. And also you will be getting a 10% discount for your purchase with Soundstripe when using the code Yanika. So make sure to check out the description below and put the code Yanika when signing up and purchasing from Soundstripe. Thank you for watching all this video, thank you for hanging out with me here, and don't forget to comment down below so I would know that you are here watching this video, and tell me what do you think of my music that I choose for the traveling videos, travel vlogs and travel adventure. Let me know down in the comments below that you are here also. And thank you for being here once again, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel for more videos like this and for more travel adventures around the world, and hope to see you soon and hope to see you next week. Ciao ciao!